building our bikes here. We also love to stay kind of close. We love Newport Beach, we love Orange County, we love, you know, everybody. One of the main reasons is this is a team effort. I'm not the only one obviously that does it. We now got, I think, 55 people. We started with just myself about 10 years ago building the bike, you know, one bike a week, selling it for 2,000, cost me 1,000, I make $1,000 a week, it's pretty good. But now what we do is we do about 150 bikes a week. Not that I make that kind of money, I don't do the math there. But what we have is we have an unbelievable team. And the one thing about being here in Orange County and being with the leadership here and the people, the support, is we can recruit the best folks. It's amazing the people that we can actually have here. This entire store, I mean, Philip is one of our guys over here. Manny's also, all the people, Blake, all the folks that you see in the background here. It's a phenomenal place to be. We got the great weather, we got great people, it's just wonderful. I feel like this is just like, I don't know, I just feel, I almost want to get tears in my eyes. It's just, thank you everybody, thank you Chamber, thank you mayors, thank you Congresswoman, thank you everybody very much for coming.
These bikes have got the best brakes in the industry.
Oh, really?
The best rating. So
the things we do, it's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me.